Hey everyone. Today we're gonna do exercise. What's happening to this thing? Look at it. Now let's do exercise. Pussy, pussy, pussy. My baby sister. Look at that baby sister. She's so silly. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She is so cute. So bye.